Hi there, this is Carson, and I just want to show the world, all of y'all, some cool stuff that we've developed using Drupal for building websites. So this is a website for one of the original 21 Franciscan missions up the California coast. It's called Mission Santa Ynez. Santa Ynez is the Spanish for St. Agnes. So they have a very large Hispanic community. And so they want to be able to easily provide their content in Spanish and for people visiting their site to view it in Spanish. So their website has a little tab up here that says En Español. And if you click En Español, everything turns into Spanish. The main menu items that have a Spanish version automatically become Spanish. So right here, the home menu item becomes Casa. They haven't translated our parish or pastoral team or community involvement, but you'll see that the staff directory and Sunday bulletins has a translation, so those appear in Spanish. You'll also see that even the word search in the search box changes into Spanish. The mass times turns into Spanish. If I click in English, then everything shows in English. So it's a really awesome way to create a bilingual website in both English and Spanish. Here's the mission statement down here, we the people of Old Mission, etc. When I click En Español, this becomes Spanish. So here's let me go ahead and click in English up here to go back to English. And so here's a piece of content that they could translate into Spanish. It's about faith formation. So they get a little tab up here called Translate. And I'm going to click on it. And we'll see that there is no Spanish translation. So they can just add one right here. They can just click Add. And then on the resulting page, they can change the title to make a Spanish version of the title, a Spanish version of the page. They can do this completely in, they can also change the menu link for Spanish. So they can change this to just Spanish so that when it shows up in the menu, it'll be in Spanish. So yeah, they have complete control over the content. Now let's say that they don't want to go through that work of actually creating a Spanish translation. They want something just really quick and easy. It probably won't be as accurate, but they want to use like Google Translate. Well, we did some really cool integration with the Google Translate API. So what they can do is they can just click Spanish here and just click Request Translation. And the website actually sends out the title of the page and the content to Google and grabs a translation from Google, brings it back into the website, and populates the page, the Spanish version, with what Google gives the website. So we can see here that faith formation became Formación en la Fe. So I'm going to click on that title to view the page now in Spanish. So look at this. Now everything is in Spanish. It even took Sister Lucia and turned it into Hermana Lucia, and kept Sister capitalized. It actually does a really good job. Google Translate has vastly improved over the last couple of years. And that's largely due to users like you and I using Google Translate and improving translations. Google has the ability to, gives us the ability to improve translations that it gives for various phrases and words. And it uses that to tweak and to make the translation better and better. So here we go. We have a Spanish version. It's been populated. So you might ask, well, why not just have the Google Translate widget on the website, which will just translate any content on the site on the fly into Spanish? Because that does exist and it's free from Google. Well, first of all, let me tell you why. What this does is it actually puts the content into your site in Spanish. It's not just translating what's currently in the browser into Spanish, which means that now we can search using Spanish words in the search functionality in the website. And it also, Google now will optimize, it'll basically take the content of the site in Spanish and will use those words when indexing your site for search results. So now your site will show up in Spanish search results. And there's some other added benefits as well. But suffice it to say, this is a much better solution. So we're just really excited about this, and we can now do this for client websites and create the bilingual functionality. And yeah, so thanks for watching. And if your company or your parish or what have you needs bilingual functionality and capability in a website, give me a ring, and I'd be happy to draw up a proposal and build a solution for your company or organization.